father, Alex Mason.
I was MIA and but your old man thought I was dead. After all that shit Kravchenko did to him. The numbers, Reznov ain't stuck in his head. He had no idea it was real. How the fuck could he? Kravchenko, when I sliced that bastard open, saved everyone's ass. But he comes to first. Boom. Welcome to the Hanoi Hilton. 6 months later, they shipped me over to Da Nang. And this fucking place made the Hilton look good. Lost 17 of my group. By 72, it was just me. I was not gonna die in a fucking swamp!
Coming on the convoy now!
The boys matches Svimby's intel! Wood should be inside! Bring us alongside, Hudson!
Damn it! Taking fire! Shit! We're going down! Jump, Mason!
Clear the decks! Shit, we got gunboats right on our tail! They ain't gonna let us go without a fight! They're coming alongside! Keep fire on them! Don't let them get aboard! They're mounted MGs on each side of the barge! Damn it, they're boarding us! They're all over the deck! Keep fire on those damn gunboats! Blow those bastards out of the water! That's the last of the gunboats! Okay, Mason, we're clear. Open up the container! Give me a hand with this, Mason! Woods, are you in there, brother? Bodies are badly decomposed. These men have been dead for weeks. Woods? Frank? Frank! It's me. It's me, Mason. Do to him, Hudson.
Shit! We got Hyde right on us!
Get Woods to cover! Come on, Woods!
That arms crate is a gold mine! Grab the TGM! Take it down! Blow it out of the sky, Mason! Woods is going under, Mason!
I'll get him!
We've probably attracted the attention of every MPLA foot soldier in the area. We need to move.
Ovo je bio još jedan gameplay igrice Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Nadam se da vam se gameplay svidio. Gameplay sam uradio na zahtjev jednog člana iz naše grupe za igrice koja se zove Download plus Help jednako Games. Nisam htio više da snimam gameplay jer trebalo bi dugo onda da se video renduje i trebalo bi dugo da se video postavi na YouTube. Ako imate neke komentare ili tražite neku igricu, slobodno nas pitajte na našoj stranici koju sam već rekao i admin će vam odgovoriti u najkraćem mogućem roku. Također lajkujte video, subscribeujte se na moj kanal i slobodno komentarišite. To da.